How to adjust white balance and 2 points on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do in your remote, okay, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to picture, and picture, go to feature mode settings. Here in picture mode settings, scroll down and find the expert settings. Okay, go to this, and now you can see the white balance. And now you can adjust the intensity of red, green, and blue to view the true color of all image in the picture. Okay, you'll have to do is go to white balance, and now you can see the white balance is set into 2 point. And below, you can see the R offset, so you can adjust this by going this, and you can adjust to the right or to the left. For my example, I set into 3, and okay. And also you can set or adjust the G offset. I set into -3, and the B offset I set into 2, and the R chain I set into -4, and also the G chain I set into 5, and the B chain I set into -3. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjusted the white balance into 2 points on your Devant Smart TV.